Hi y'all, it's Troy with 3 Ys and I'm here with Beauty in the City, and I'm going to show y'all some of the products that I'll use with this specific look, okay? So the first one I will be using is the conditioner lipstick because I don't like crusty lips. You shouldn't either, okay? That's first and foremost. So let's make sure. And I love to keep it just plain and simple. I have big lips, but I love to make sure they're moisturized. And the first thing I'm going to use is the Ninja eyeliner, of course, because I love dark eyes. I have big eyes and I love them to be dark and dreamy, and I like looking at people's souls, so the best way is with dark eyes. And they make such a big difference, especially when you have mascara. When you have mascara at the bottom of your eye, it looks so good, guys. And actually this time I might do my top liner just a little bit, because why not? The darker the eye, the better, right? Just a little bit, not too much, because I like to keep it simple. You can never go wrong with just a little bit at the top. Just a little bit. Not too much. Just a little bit. And then next, of course, I have to go in with my mascara, because I love mascara. I have long eyelashes, guys, so I need them to look as long as possible. Right? So we're going to fluff these out. Like the makeup experts say, you got to do it from the root to the top, right? And make sure you get them bottom lashes going, because that just, I don't know what it do, guys, but it make you look even more flirty, and it make your eyes pop even more, right? Don't it just pop? Pop, pop.